Have you guys heard about KKW and Kim Kardashian? I don't know if she's jumping out of the makeup business. I doubt it. I'm pretty sure that she's either rebranding or repackaging all her stuff. Who knows what she's doing, but she was running a huge sale. So I ran and I got a bunch of stuff. I want to share with you guys the things that I ordered from her. I want you guys to see the packaging because it's different from other brands. So I think these are the sponges, but I'm going to open everything. But it's like this. Came packaged like ultra safe. I don't even remember what I got. But yeah. Okay, so yes, these were actually these. The beauty puffs is what they're called. The little powder puffs. So it has a little thing here. This was a blush duo in the shade something peach. It was classic peach. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm pretty sure that they're repackaging everything because Kylie's also like killing it with the makeup industry. This is the powder contour. This is in the shade number 5. I think I could have gone a little darker, but that's what I got. Also, probably what was available. This is the cream lipstick in the shade peach. As you can tell, I personally like the color peach. Peach number 1. Oh, it's like a nude. It's a nude. It's a very pretty nude. Let's swatch it. Looks like a pink on me. It's not as peachy as I was thinking, but it's cute. Okay, this is the concealer in the shade number 10. I think, again, I just got whatever was available. Do you know what I mean? Like when they're running sales, things go fast. I like it, but yeah, it's definitely not going to be a good like concealer color for me. Oh, it's nice and thick though. I did get an eyeshadow palette, so let's open this bad boy up and see what colors I got. This is what the palette looks like. Palette crystallized. Here's the colors. They look pretty. They look very pretty. There's a nice little blend here of mattes and some shimmers. So okay, I got a lip liner. Came in this little package. It is in the shade Peach 2. It does look very pink compared to what I was thinking. Definitely goes with that pink lipstick. I wouldn't call it peach, but that's what it's called. 90s Icon KKW lip liner. Okay, I'm hoping that this is more of a nude. It is. It's like a mauve-y. Not mauve. It's a nude. Let's see. Let's put it, okay, it's browner. I like that. I'm putting it, I definitely like that better. That's more my style, I guess. And I also got, last but not least, this brush. It's a concealer brush. Yeah, concealer duo brush number 1. Has 2 tips. I like that big fluffy one for a concealer. And yeah, why not? Anyways, guys, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed, and I will go ahead and make a look with this.